Hi, I'm John from MarineMax Kent Island, Maryland, and today I'd like to take you through a brand new 2022 Bertram 28cc lightly used demo boat with only less than 25 hours on it. Enjoy the walk. So on this 28cc, she's actually all of 30 feet long. So she is a huge, quote, 28 footer. Lots of room back here aft. Got this large area back here. Got a very big bilge compartment here with extra storage down here. You got your swim ladder that hangs off the side door. You'll see here in a minute. A couple of bucket storage, access to all your filters and your power steering pump. You got a comfortable seat right here. It pops down. This back pops up, and extra lounging area for you and your guests when you're on the boat. Very comfortable, wonderful view. You got your tuna door here. Take you back to your huge swim platform with sponson coming out on the sides, port and starboard. You've got your twin 300 horse Mercury Verados. Plenty of power. She'll do 54 miles an hour easy on any day. Got rod holders throughout. Off to port, we have the live well here, recirculating. We also have a side door. And this is where that swimming ladder goes that you saw in that big storage compartment. Nice sort side hooks right on there. Down below, on the port and on the starboard side, you have fish boxes, and they're pumped out and controlled via the buttons at your helm. Here on the back of the leaning post, we've got some nice drawers. Got tackle box storage here, cup holders, and I really like throughout the boat these really nice actuating buttons here to open things up, and they're easy to push and access when you're looking at like cushions up forward, which we'll see. But you got a cutting board surface here and a nice sink here with fresh water for wash down and cleanup. I'll tell you, the pièce de résistance on this boat are these release seats. These are absolutely stunning seats. I love the stitch work, the varnished teak wood. These are just a stunning option that you can have on this boat. And these armrests easily tilt up. You've got your bolsters, which will come down for regular seating or up for bolstered seating. Just absolutely, I just love these seats. They're just gorgeous. They feel good, they look good, and they're a real eye catcher. Down below, you've got your all your battery switches for your engines 1 and 2 and your house. And then in here is your battery storage for your 2 engines and your house batteries and breaker bus bars and such down there. Coming around topside, we do have your Garmin VHF radio here with the speaker up in the overhead. You've got your JL Audio stereo head here, cup holders, bow thruster, 28 footer bow thruster. Fantastic, easy to maneuver this boat. Of course, your throttle controls. You got your suicide wheel here, twin 16-inch Garmin screens, and then all your control buttons along here, which also includes your anchor control up and down. You have your fish box pumps, your live well wash down, and so on and so forth. You have freshwater and raw water wash down on either side. Up above here, you'll see we do have some LED lighting, your Garmin speaker, and your Mercury engine management system display here, and a small little glove box. Up here in the bow, you've got a large seating area here. These are removable backrests. You also have a removable center section here as well. You can just take this cushion off. If you're out fishing, you remove this cushion, and then you have a very large standing area that you can just cast your rod off of underneath this cushion, or if you want just for sunbathing, throw the cushion in there. If you remove both the centerpiece and the cushion, you can put in your teak bow table in here, and the bow table stores in the head, which you'll see shortly. You got anchor storage up forward, and within there is 100% chain, which is an upgrade on this boat. And of course, you've got your chrome and stainless anchor off the bow. You've got your USB port charging up here on the port and starboard sides. You've got a stereo zone with speakers, and you've got more rod and cup holders up here. On the forward end of your center console, you have this gorgeous seat here also fits two. Again, showing you the Bertram stitching, the gorgeous pattern here, and just feels wonderful, just like those release seats back in the cockpit. Up top, you can see we have this huge hardtop. Lots of shade in the cockpit. Of course, you got your Garmin radar, you've got your floodlights, fore and aft, your VHF antennas up there, and your running lights, port and starboard side. But I want to point out though that it is a very large hardtop, that it does provide a lot of protection and shade for your occupants. And big surprise, inside the center console, you have a large, luxurious head down below here. Just pull this hatch open. You've got a vacuum flush head, of course, sink to the port side, and then on your starboard side, you've got the teak table storage for your bow. So please come on down to MarineMax on Kent Island, Maryland, to see this beautiful 2022 Bertram 28cc. She is a gorgeous, fun riding boat. You will not be disappointed. These seats are gorgeous, and I got one right next to me here waiting for you. So come on down, take a look. We're looking forward to seeing you.